Blink Outdoor 3rd generation disassembly. Of course, take the battery cover off. Once inside, you'll see that there's these 2 little rubber covers in the battery department. To pop those off. Put them off to the side. You don't want to lose them. Maybe you do. It's up to you. Real simple. Remove the 2 screws. Then the back cover will just pop right off. Now once inside, you see we have more screws to remove if you want to take it completely apart. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I've already removed the first 2 on there. This guy and that guy. Sometimes you could just reach in there and grab them. Sometimes you might need a little tool to grab a hold of them with. Once you get those screws out, you have 2 more on this upper board that need to come out. Now remember, all the screws are all the same size, so you don't have to worry about getting anything mixed up. 2. Once you've done that, you can pull the unit right out. You have full access to it, to the sensor, to your microphone, to your camera, so you can clean it. And reassembly is in the opposite. Okay, now I'm going to clean my lens with a little bit of alcohol because I was having a fogging problem. My camera got outside and left in the rain. It fell and it sat in the rain. So I'm going to clean that lens off a little better. And then inside here there's a little plastic ring. You just set it off to the side. Let's clean this one too. A little bit of alcohol in there. You can see it wasn't very clean. Okay. I'm going to do this side one more time. Just because. Okay, make sure it's nice and clean. Let's look at this guy here where the sensor is at, just in case. Just because I got some alcohol, I'm just going to do it for the heck of it. One never knows, right? Okay. Now I'm going to reassemble the camera. I think I've done as much as I can do. Got to put the ring back in. Don't forget to put the ring back in. Must have the ring back in there. Okay. Now I'll just start putting screws back in. We'll start with these top 2. pretty sure if you've made it this far along, you get what the job is now. We're just going to put it back together. Ah, I lost the screw. There we go. Those two are in. See, nice and tight. Now we'll work on these other guys. Put the easy ones in first. You don't need to go really tight. These do have a nice strong board built into them, but you don't need to go really tight. No sense in taking that chance on your, expensive little camera. Okay, 2 more screws. See, these ones are a little bit harder to get in. That's why I say we need the, nice to have a little something to help put them in. Or if you had a magnetized screwdriver, which I do not, right there. Ah! Okay. Come on. There we go. Get that one in real quick here. And then this last one here. That one, it wants to be difficult. I just use my pliers to get it into place. Okay. Don't have to get too crazy on the screwdriver. And then, real simple, just set your guy back in there, set the back. You got your 2 more screws. That should be good there. Like I said, you don't want to get too crazy. The little plastic in there, how long is it gonna last? You know how stuff like that works with these great electronics we have nowadays. Put your little rubber covers back in there. And remember the bottom of the rubber cover has a little lip on it, so it fits over the top of the screw. Put your batteries back in, put your cover back on, and you're back rocking and rolling. That'll be the conclusion of your Blink Outdoor 3rd generation disassembly and reassembly. Have a good one. Thank you for watching.